A little life hack. Anybody with a two-car garage trying to take advantage of whatever space you can? Yeah, I got jammed up everywhere. But I recently thought what to do with this space in between the two garage doors. And I always just had a garbage can sitting here full of shovels and shit. Well, go to Home Depot, grab yourself a 2x10, and that little bit of space in between your two garage doors right there. Look at that. Look at that little bit of space in between your two garage doors. Yeah. That's 27 inches sitting there, sticking out. Cut the first piece of 2x10 to fit in between here. I just put this piece over top to give it some stability. I can pull on this as hard as I want. It's not moving nowhere. 2x10. Don't put this piece in until you back screw it into this. So you're screwing this piece into this from the back side, and then you can put that piece in there, and then screw that piece down on top of there after that, and it's solid as a rock. It's not going anywhere. And if you look here, I got 6 pieces hanging up, and I got another 6 hanging up there, and a couple of extension cords hanging off the end, just for fun. And that was completely dead space. Wasted space in between the two garage doors. Yeah, it's perfect, isn't it? That's right. You saw it here first.